Hello and welcome back. I always feel really self-conscious when I do things in Cleveleys. Welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I've only just turned the camera on and somebody's saying hello to me already. We're in Cleveleys today, we're in my hometown, and I'm going to do something I've been promising to do for ages. You'll be able to watch this tomorrow. I'm off to the Shipwreck for my dinner and I'm going to do a food review for you, so you'll be able to watch this tomorrow. And I always feel I feel like I've got a telly on my head because everybody knows me. It's really funny, I go all shy. So this is the Shipwreck. This of course is our usual stomping ground, regular place, this one. This is where the for Cleveleys reprobates hang out and come and make a noise and be noisy. So we're gonna go and have our food review here today. So don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to sign up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter. So it's busy as usual. It's 12 o'clock on Thursdays I'm filming this. I've just been doing my digger day at the venue, so I've come straight here for me lunch. The new mill store is just around there. I don't know what the ambulance is doing. And this is the Shipwreck. So I do eat here periodically, not often because I usually have my coffee and then go home. But I have to say they do a lovely drink in here and a lovely hot chocolate. Very nice cappuccino. This is lovely Tracy making her way past. So it's very small but very perfectly formed. It's only a little place and it's actually unusually quiet at the minute. Because normally it's rammed in here. It's normally absolutely full of people. And as you can see by this little pooch, it's dog friendly. What's his name?
Carlos.
Carlos. Hello, Carlos. Have you come for a pint? Eh? And they have all kinds of everything. So these are some of the beers that they have in the Shipwreck. This is my drink, look, waiting for me. I've already been in and said what I want. And I'm going to go into the back. And it's a really nice little friendly, cosy pub where we spend far too much time and drink far too much coffee. So this is where we all convene. So this is like a little snug area in the back, which is lovely in winter because they put the fire on and it's all warm and cosy. And then this, she's going to put the fire on behind me. There you go. No sooner said than done. A fire. There you go. No logs were harmed in the making of this video. And this is the beer garden. So around the back, there's this is where we normally sit. There's a few tables, toilets, and then there's also hello. Oh, is that another one that recognised me? Just a minute. And then there's also the little function room. So this is available for private hire, so you can hire this out. If you can get about 25 people in here. So this is ideal. There's even some games, look, for winter when you want to come in here and entertain your family. This is ideal if you're doing a little event. We've used this many times for when, like for example, when the Mmmm judges came. It's very quiet in here. It's normally rammed at dinner time. I must admit, I did turn up with some trepidation thinking, I'm going to have everybody watching me. Go on then, so what's your name?
Harry.
Harry?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Harry. Do you watch as well?
Colin. I don't actually.
You don't?
I do watch it, yeah.
That's shocking, your lady friend doesn't it? Yeah, oh absolutely. Nice to meet you, Harry. That looks lovely, look at that. He said, the other Paul, the Paul that works in the shop, said sausage, chips and beans, and I said, oh yeah, that sounds nice. I've got no idea whether it's on the menu. Somebody said, didn't they carry a pair of scissors? I've got no idea whether it's on the menu, but he had me at sausage, chips and beans. So that's what I'm having. I was going to have poached eggs on toast until he mentioned that. Oh, goodness me, there's a lot there, isn't there? It'll be a miracle if I eat that. If I just flicked ketchup all over me. I don't know, I'm messy, aren't I? Right, before we go any further, let's just take a picture. I'm conscious that it's a little bit breezy, and I'm not the fastest of eaters, so my dinner's going to be cold by the time I've managed to show you a lovely lot. Lovely. Here we go. I have to say, Sarah's done a lovely job with that, hasn't she? Chips are, eggs are runny. They look lovely. That's nice. That's nice. That's really nice. So I was trying to think earlier how long the Shipwreck's been open. That's nice. I like them sausages. It's like a chipolata type sausage. That's really tasty. Excuse me while I purr. That's lovely. It's really sheltered here, actually. That's lovely. I was sat here when we did our last clean up, having my coffee. And you know, I was absolutely boiling. It was lovely. So the Shipwreck's a micro pub, and they have all kinds of different beers on. And it is actually quite lively. I've asked them to turn the music off for obvious reasons. And I've been threatening to come and do a food review here for ages. And I'm just glad it is quiet, because normally when you come in, it's standing room only. You ready? This is a big mouthful. This for a big mouth. I've brought the menu with me. I'm going to tell you what you can have. I don't have alcohol because I don't really drink. Simply because I just go to sleep when I drink. I laugh first and then I go to sleep. So as I said, I always have coffee when I come in here, or hot chocolate. The hot chocolate is beautiful. And their cappuccino is one of the nicest ones I've had anywhere, I have to say. Very nice. Yum, yum, yum. So, there's a range of small plates and sharing meals, which we've had them. In fact, we had that when we brought the judges here in Bloom, for Cleveleys in Bloom. Went in there. There's big plates for people with big appetites or to share. Children's meals, cheese board. Oh, cheese board. There's sandwiches, burgers, wraps, etc. So I suppose it's more kind of lunchtime snack stuff as opposed to fine dining. So I was going to have poached eggs on toast. Get this for weird. Poached eggs on toast with skin on fries. Have you ever heard anything as odd in your life? And then I decided, when Paul came in and said chips and egg, I decided to have this. So we're on the sunny side of the street. You can sit and sunbathe while you're eating your meal. I suppose it's a sort of a breakfast, isn't it? But not a full breakfast. So I've got 2 sausages, 2 eggs, tomato and beans. It's not actually on the menu. Oh, sausage, bacon and egg, $6.50. There you go. That's on the barn, that. So I've got sausage, bacon, egg and beans. So this probably... I've got a tab, so I've not paid yet. Let's say somewhere in between 8 and 10 quid, which is well worth it. Let's put it this way. It'll be better than what they're having at Rabbit Towers. That's really nice. One of our Care for Cleveleys volunteers had a toasty last time we came. And they brought it out. And we all went, what's that? Very nice. So there's toasties, paninis. So sandwiches are $6.95, $7.50, depending on what filling you've got. And toasties are £8, $8.50, something like that. Bacon, mushroom and Stilton. Well, that's nice. I'll finish this. I don't think I'm going to finish it all. That's as near to clean as I'm going to get my platter. As is customary, I'm going to say that there's too many beans. That's better. Cheers. It was T-Boy's birthday yesterday. So we had cake on Tuesday because we did the event at the bus station in Cleveleys. And we got cake to celebrate. There was some cake left, so we took it home and we had cake with custard after our lunch yesterday. We went to a garden centre up Lancaster Way, which he wanted to go to. And we had cake when we had coffee. And then when we came home, we bought him a birthday cake with 8 and 1 candle on it. So we had some more cake at tea time. So I think I've eaten my own body weight in cake this week. And I'm feeling a little bit... Even I have got limits on how much cake I will eat at once. Right, I'll have a minute now and drink my drink. So there you go. That's the shipwreck. Everybody's sat eating the dinner. Cleveleys is still packed. It's always busy in Cleveleys. The ambulance has gone, look. What did we think to that then? Well, I have to say it was very nice. As I said, it's my local haunt. It is the shipwreck. Very, very nice. The meal was perfectly cooked. I said I wanted my eggs runny, and they were runny to perfection. Thank you, Sarah. Chips were lovely. Sausage was lovely. I just like the place, so I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. And this is the one that is going to be opening in Bickerstaff House in Blackpool. So our lovely Shipwreck will be coming to a place near you soon. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm going to go and have a little look round now, and we'll see what's happening in Cleveleys. And until next time, we'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.